Looking at the map, we've designed the map such that it has two sets of protection built in. What I want to do is walk you through establishing protection in, this is going to be protection across a ring. This would be called channel card protection. So a WCC card and another WCC card are twinned with the opposite end of a WCC card and a WCC card. Our primary path runs across the front of our network here. So slot 9 to slot 9 and sites 1 and 3 are our working path. The back end will flow from slot 8 to slot 8 across our WCC cards. To establish that, all we need to do is locate these nodes individually. So I'm going to go to the first site here and go for slot 9. The way this sort of protection works is that it only works, it will pick the first card that I choose as the working card. And so what I want to do is I want to go into this one and go into its config, modify it. I actually have to do it from the mod. So from the module, no, that's not right either. I'm not getting the options I want here. No. Wow. There we go. So it is from the mod. However, in the element manager, the options that I'm not familiar with, it's under the mod, but I have to highlight and right click the mod. It's not that intuitive. Then I select protection and create. Upon doing that, it's saying fiber to fiber protection, and it's going to use a protection group from slot 9. I hit next, and now that is my working AID. I decided if I want it revertive or not. I've decided I don't want it revertive, and the protection AID is going to pick the matching card. The only other card on the shelf provisioned identically the same. So I simply hit next. Now I want this to protect based on fiber cut, not on any hits that may be at the code violation level or anything sub-layer. So physical layer only. I hit next, and my protection is now established. And so it's now saying that there's a hot standby for slot 8. So this is running at slot 9 as my working. Slot 8 is now my protect. I can inhibit switch protection or any other options that I want to do. We used to call that locking out in the Sonic days, where we want to prevent switching from happening. But right now I want it to switch as needed. Our protection is now established from the first site. However, I have to do the same thing at the far end. I've matched them up 9 for 9, slot 9 to this slot 9. So at the opposite end, I have to do it at slot 9 as well. So then what I'll do is I will pull up the far end node, establish the same sort of process here. I'll go to the module, right click, hit protection, create, from slot 9, fiber to fiber protection, physical layer, next, finish. My protection has now been established. If I look at the front of the node, I will see a blinking LED on the protect side of that connection.